Okay, boat anchor CB radio repair here with the Cheetah-2 that I sent off to Pulsar, and he opened the PLL box and changed a couple of caps and did a couple of trace repairs, and now I'm going to have to do the caps. I just asked him to do that, and as you if you watch Pulsar's video, he told me to take it over from there. So okay, so it was not transmitting. I mean, it was, but no mod hardly, and no swing. And he said I needed to tune it and change the caps, and I tuned it, and I will change the caps when I get the caps. I got a big old bag of caps down there, but they're Chinese caps. Okay, so let's just put her on 6. There ain't nobody on there, but just for transmission purposes. Okay, it's on AM, and A&L is off. RF gain's up all the way. And here's the watts now, after I tuned it. Actually, before it was doing 1 watt, swinging to nothing, just 1 floating. Now it is yellow, about 5 to 8. No, 3 to 8. Hello. Okay. Now, there is no PEP on this meter, so RMS, I guess. Yeah, 5 to 8. Okay, now let's go to sideband. Now, listen closely to the sound this thing makes when I go to sideband. Let me turn it down. Okay, now listen. Hear that? Yeah. That's what I was doing before it was working before, and then when I went doing this with this, that sound, and then it just quit working. But it's working now, so. Okay, so sideband. Remember it was 4 to 8, now sideband. Hello. 1, 2, 3. Normal talking into the mic audio. With a high, it's probably about 10 watts, and with a yellow, almost 15. Now, if I keep it keyed up, and it warms up more. Yeah, about 14. And the meter's working like it's supposed to. Okay. And the calibrate and SWR works like it's supposed to. Yeah, okay. Now I got it to work now with a bit of tuning. Okay. So, let's get a report. Okay. Okay, I got it on lower. Okay, come back with a radio report on this thing. What's it sound like?
Good.
Okay, is it swinging at all on your meter? Watch your meter. Hello, that's about 3 to 7 right there.
It's hard to say with these digital meters you do.
Oh yeah, that's right. You got a digital type LED type meter, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, my needle on the radio isn't swinging. But the one on the dozy is. So yeah, it's swinging forward. Huh. Okay.
Yeah, sounds good.
Alrighty, that's my duck you're hearing out there. About 6 miles away. Okay, that's it for the cheetah-2 for right now anyway. Okay, so as you can see, it's working. I didn't ask that guy to say it sounded good. He just, I don't do that stuff. It ain't like I called him and said, okay, I'm gonna get on the radio and give me a good CB report for everybody. Nope, I didn't do that. It's what it is, and I believe him. Okay, so there you go. cheetah-2, SSB2, that I had Pulsar fix the PLL section there with a couple of caps and a couple of solder joints, and he said take it from there, so I did, and now I'm going to wait and put the caps in it later. So boat anchor CB radio repair, and we are out of here. Break.